Myself, Gunjapuri Dinesh Reddy. I am from the Anand Sagar College. I have recently passed out in June with electronics and communication background. So before coming to institute, I have tried in several locations for job opportunities. So basically, I am not getting the technical role which I wanted. So I was offered basic testing roles. So I really wanted to go in some communication side of the job, but in college I was having this knowledge theoretically, but somewhere I am lagging a bit when it comes in real world experience, like using actual tools to implement whatever we have learned in college. So I just thought of taking 1 to 2 months of time for myself so that I can update myself. So I just, but institutes out there are very costly, so I was a bit hesitant to go there. So later I heard this from my friend as a referral. So I came here, and at the first day itself I got a very much positive impact from the lecturer or coach called Aditya sir, and he is very friendly. Till today I was never hesitant in asking any kind of doubt, no matter how ridiculous it was. So I really grasped so much in this 1 month from this course. So the course was very specific. It was very efficient. Course was very efficient. It was roughly 2 hours a day, 2 to 2.5 hours. But the concepts which he used to teach us, and the real world examples which he used to tell us, like case studies, anecdotes, explaining the scenarios where we use those concepts, and also on tools wise he got very good grip. So I am very much thankful to Aditya sir. So I joined here on December 1st, 2023, and now it's been nearly 1 month, and I am hoping to crack interviews now with pretty good knowledge on concepts, both theoretical and practical. Thanks, Alfred.